Today I'll talk about blocks. Blocks is a new feature that we now use to help us edit our web pages. In short, web pages consist of a few different bits of information. For instance, here we've got paragraphs, which is your main text. This is something called H1 or header 1. This is like a header of the page. And we've got pictures that sit in divisions or divs. I'll explain a bit further. But first, let's create a new page. Go into zStudio Control Center, Menu Manager. Let's add a new section after Home. Let's make it a blank page and use Story. Yeah, put an S before it. The other fields should populate themselves. Click Save. Here we go, a new story. Let's make sure we edit the main content. Alright, so this is our new page. It looks quite empty. We'll probably start off with a template. One column page with the right sidebar should do the trick for us. Let's get rid of this template gibberish. Now I'm going to put some text in. Today I'll be using a snippet from Alice in Wonderland. This is like, I think, chapter 1. Oh, let's actually select the whole text here. Right click, copy. Now this is quite important. We need to paste it as a plain text. That strips our text from any kind of formatting, making sure it's just text without the formatting. That makes your web page quite light and readable, user-friendly. Let's click OK. Now that blocks feature that I was talking about, here's that button to switch it on. And now we can actually see that this is an H1 title. Let's call it Alice in Wonderland. And here we've got another paragraph. Let's make it into subtitle. In HTML terms, this will be H2. Lewis Carroll is the name of the author. Let's make him subtitle 2 or H3 in HTML terms. And perhaps we can make him italic. I'm going to put another paragraph in between H3 and paragraph to make it a bit more reader friendly. This one we can just make it bold to make sure that chapter 1 stands out. And I'm going to put paragraphs in between. Once again, just makes it easier on the eyes when people read your information. Okay, I think we're about done. Yeah, let's put some images in here as well. Why not? Clicking on Insert Edit Image button. Double click for Image Bank. Okay. Let's put another image there. Okay, so we've put all of our images here. Now here's an important bit that I'll probably like to point out, and this is pretty much why we started using the blocks feature. If you select a portion of any paragraph and you make it into a different style, you'll see that the whole paragraph will turn into the new style. So let's just go back one step. If you want to just this part of text to be a different style, what you want to do is just hit an enter button to separate this text, and then you just highlight it and make it into a different style. That will actually make sure that the other part of the paragraph will not be turned into a different style. But at this point, I'm pretty happy with the way we formatted the web page. Let's switch off the blocks feature and hit save. Let's have a look at how it reflected on our actual live page. So I'm going to refresh the main menu. Here's that new story. And here we have our page. Well, thank you for listening.